Is Geneva, as some people say, a drab city? The scenery paints a different and compelling story, especially when seen from the sky. Follow me as I take you on a drone tour of Geneva, one of the most beautiful and historic cities in Europe. Geneva is situated along the banks of Europe's largest lake, Lake Geneva. We start our drone tour from the Brunswick Monument, a large tomb built in 1879 to honor Charles II, Duke of Brunswick. The monument is located in a park along the lake where you can enjoy a scenic view of the area. From there, we fly over the Geneva skyline, admiring the contrast between the old and the new. You can see the city center with its historic and modern buildings in perfect harmony. Landmarks in the area include the St. Pierre Cathedral, the seat of the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century, and the Russian Orthodox Church, built in 1866 to serve the Russian community in Geneva. And of course, you can't miss the Jedu, the iconic fountain that shoots water up to 140 meters high. Originally a safety valve for a hydraulic power plant, the water fountain has become a tourist attraction and a symbol of Geneva's ambition and innovation. We then fly along the Pont du Mont Blanc, the bridge that connects the two banks of the lake. The bridge is named after Mont Blanc, the highest massif in the Alps, which is visible from Geneva. It offers a spectacular view of the water and the mountains, especially at sunset or sunrise. Measuring 250 meters, the bridge serves as a major north-south road axis in the canton of Geneva. We reach the Parc des Bastions, a former botanical garden that is now a public park. The park houses the Reformation Wall, a monument that commemorates the leaders and events of the Protestant Reformation. The monument consists of a 100-meter-long wall with statues of four main figures of the Reformation: John Calvin, William Farel, Theodore Beza, and John Knox. They are flanked by 10 smaller statues of other reformers, such as Martin Luther, John Wycliffe, and Oliver Cromwell. The University of Geneva is also in view in this drone video. Founded by John Calvin in 1559 as a theological seminary, the university is one of the oldest in Switzerland. The university is quite close to the Parc des Bastions, which is a popular spot for people who come to enjoy the greenery and the open space. Geneva, like every city, has its distinct identity and style. You are welcome to explore it with an open mind and enjoy the city in its unique way. A charming drone view of the city adds an extra dimension to the appeal of Geneva, with its historic quarters and the modern architecture blending beautifully. Thank you for joining me on this drone tour of Geneva. I hope you liked it and learned something new. Please like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Many thanks for watching, and see you next time.